Respected sir, myself Peter Sapudihan, studying at the mechanical. I'm going to give a seminar on laser ignited IC engine. Let's start with the introduction. It is widely accepted that the internal combustion engine will continue to power our vehicles. We are using IC engines worldwide for mobilization of people, goods, whatever. In most of the cases, we are using them for our convenience or profit. To meet environmental legislation requirements, automobile manufacturers continue to address two critical aspects of engine performance: fuel economy and exhaust gas emission. New engines are becoming increasingly complex with advanced combustion mechanism that burn an increasing variety of fuel meet future goals on performance. So many alternatives are sought after to counter these limitations. One of the alternatives is laser ignition engine. Laser ignition engine. Let's know about spark ignition system. What you are using since many years. What happens in spark ignition system? Usually in spark ignition system, battery used to to generate spark at a spark plug. Here, what happens? Current is flow through ignition coil from the battery and then to contact breaker, finally to distributor, which is finally distributed to spark plugs to generate spark at their ends. Let's know something about laser ignition system. Laser ignition system has a laser transmitter, fiber optic cable. That is to say, in place of spark plug, we are using laser transmitter to generate spark in the combustion chamber of the IC engines. The laser beam is passed through a convex lens, convert beam, then make it immensely strong and sufficient enough to start combustion of the point. Hence, the fuel is ignited at focal point. The focal point is adjusted where the ignition is required. The engine experiments. Engine was modified for laser ignition, so research is going on. Variation location of the ignition was allowed, but in case of spark ignition system, you have to locate a spark at the head of the combustion chamber only. In laser ignition system, why is the laser was used? Usually, once energy ignition location resource varied, engine is made to run for several hours for certain. This is one experimental setup. Advantages of laser ignition over spark ignition: more intense spark, linear fuel can burn efficiently, shorter combustion time, easier possibility of multiple ignition, reduce NOx emission. In case of spark ignition system, NOx emission is more, which impact environment badly. But in case of laser engines, no erosion effect. System exists to be substantially longer. It shows higher efficiency compared to spark ignition. The precise ignition time possible. Shorter ignition time, shorter combustion time. It takes much less time to ignite the fuel air formation in the combustion chamber. Then what are the challenges, future needs, research? Cost. Cost of the laser ignition system is high as compared to spark ignition. Stability of particle diffusion, laser distribution, multiple polarization, stability of lumen. All these cost of laser ignition makes high. Let's come to the conclusion. Laser ignition system allows almost free choice of ignition location within the combustion chamber and inside the fuel spray. Significant reduction in fuel consumption as well as reduction of exhaust gases show the potential of laser emission process. Laser emission is non-destructive in nature. High energy can be rapidly deposited, have limited heat losses, and is capable of multiple ignition of combustion cycles. Thank you, sir.